purpose of today is that we're out here and we are taking a look at what trees do we have. We're focusing on trees that are greater than 10-inch DBH, diameter breast height. We're at the beautiful Wilton Farm, a site of the future environmental education living building, where students from the Varina Center for Environmental Studies and Sustainability just completed a tree inventory. Really looking at the habitats that are created. So with those habitats, we want to make sure that we are improving the environment. So as part of the Living Building Challenge and part of the Place Pedal, we have to make sure that we are taking account to what's out here. That way we can help kind of make this a better environment.
We're going around the corner.
All right.
Oh, are you in zone 4 too?
Yeah. And then we are trying to identify all the trees and figure out what's native, what's invasive.
That's 11 inches. Yeah. So we'll mark this tree. All right.
So probably a little bit higher, but you're pretty close. Okay. And then make sure you're about 25 inches away, so back up just a little bit.
We use like a DBH stick to measure the diameter of the trees. We use leaves and the bark to identify the trees.
Most of the leaves around that tree look like this.
And then we were using our dichotomous key to help us identify which trees are which.
This is Eastern Redbud.
What?
Page 90, if you want to check the book.
Redbud?
I would not say it's white as tip.
Because look, it's kind of got the coloring. Like you see the spots in the color.
We had some community partners who helped us out here today.
This time you're spending out here today is a big contribution to the county.
We partnered with Capital Trees and Dr. Shelley Barrick-Parsons in order to complete this inventory. She gave an introduction to tree identification as well as how to use the mapping software.
But between the bark and the leaves, we'll use that to identify the trees today.
We also partnered with Henricopolis Soil and Water Conservation District.
So you can take a picture of the bark with it?
The ACE Center Horticulture program came out, as well as Henrico Government, the Sustainability Office, to kind of help the students.
Yeah. All right. We got any leaves up there?
No, but we do have some sort of either nut or fruit.
And then the really cool part about this is that it is attached to a GPS app, because we are tracking the trees and geolocating them, so that way we can pull up the data and say we have an American beech over here and we have a maple here, and we really want to avoid those when we're looking at construction.
Split trunk.
Split trunk, yep. And so it's going to be two of it.
You were saying something about fuzz last time.
There's fuzz on the underside of the leaf.
All right, perfect. Down.
Let's go this way. Yeah. The students were troopers today. They understand kind of the need to get this inventory, which is awesome. And they went at it and they did a fantastic job. But the really cool thing is that this property is going to be theirs. They're going to be the primary residents. We have the living building that's going to have classrooms for the students, and it's theirs to kind of take ownership of this area.
First inaugural kids at the Living Building of Wilton. Woo!